Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I wanted to come on and tell you about this paint that I got through ASC Craft Supplies. This color is 544 Crimson Lumineer. This paint is such a great paint. I love this brand. I had never tried it until I got my paint from them, or this paint. I think I have a couple of other colors, but I don't see the brush strokes on my project, so I'm going to share my project in a little bit. And I've already read everything to see if it's like maybe self-leveling, but it doesn't say anything about self-leveling. It is highly pigmented, and this is the same brand that I believe the green that I use, that I've been using, is the same brand. But oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I used that paint and I made some mini hot cocoa trays. Okay, so I just took a tray from Dollar Tree, one of the wooden ones, and you know, some of them have the stars and whatnot on the sides. Well, this one just has the regular opening. So I painted it with the Lumineer, and guys, seriously, I don't see this. I did not sand down at all, and at the bottom I just put one coat of paint on there, so you can see, you know, the shadow of the wood, the original color. So I totally love this paint. And on the inside, again, I just used one coat of paint, and it seems like on this one I can see a few, like maybe, I don't even think those are brush strokes, honestly. It's just where the paint went on uneven. I did put two coats on the outside, and then with my Cricut I cut hot cocoa on vinyl and then just stuck it on there. But oh my gosh, these, and then the handles, I just cut some twine and I stapled the handles on there. And honestly, we could hot glue them, but I like the way that looks, so I went with the staples. But the staples were too long and they went through to the back. So what I did was I repainted, because it did kind of split the wood. So I painted over it, and then I took my hot glue gun and I, put a dollop of glue on each side. I took my silicone spatula and held it down to where it's flat. I was gonna glue just a piece of, red paper on the inside, but I just didn't want to. I wanted, this is the way I wanted it. So let me show you what I have done with the hot cocoa tray. So this is my hot cocoa tray, guys. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. So let me see if I can tip it without spilling everything over. So that is what the hot cocoa tray looks like. This was so much fun to put together, guys. Honestly, it really, really was. So let me show you what's in there. So there's a couple of straws, because there's 2 servings of cocoa in here. So I put 2 straws in there. I put a couple of candy canes. And all of this, just about all of it, comes from Dollar Tree. So the candy canes are from Dollar Tree. These are from my stash. And the star was a star ornament. And these come in a package. These are from Dollar Tree. And I put one of the little wood trees in there. And I'm still not sure if I want to paint that and make it an ornament or not. So that's why it's in there just like that, because I haven't made up my mind. So there is the little wooden tree from Dollar Tree. And then these are the Bob's Sugar candy canes, or candy, they're little rods. They're not like these. They're the softer ones. So I just crushed them up, and I used one of the little Dollar Tree containers to put it in, so they can add to their hot chocolate if they so wish. and this one has the marshmallows, and I was actually looking for the freeze-dried marshmallows, but I couldn't find any. I normally get them at Target, so I went ahead and put the regular marshmallows in this one. And then I put a couple of kisses in this little plastic candy. That way they can add some more chocolate to their cocoa. And I just stuck in this cute little gingerbread. Guys, I made some gingerbread ornaments, and I put them away, and I don't know where they're at. So eventually I may make this into an ornament, or I may just leave him in there like that. So still not sure on that one either. And I found these instead of a cookie. I found these at Target, and they are Peppermint Crunch Pretzels dipped in white fudge. So these are so pretty. I thought it just went perfect with this. So that is what I stuck in here versus a cookie. And this bag has another pouch of hot cocoa, and I just added one of these gingerbread stickers from Dollar Tree. So there's that. And then this is one of those milk, they look like, you know, milk jugs, old-time milk jugs. This will hold one package of your hot cocoa, and I added some marshmallows in there. And this, you just have to add 6 ounces of warm milk and drink it. You can drink it out of here. That's why I put 2 straws in there, so they can have one for each of their servings. So I took some pipe cleaner and I strung some of the bells on there. And then I added this little guy here. This is from my stash. He belongs on a bow. So I just cut him out and pierced a hole in there. And he says, mix with 6 ounces of warm milk. And then just again, I just stuck one of the snowflakes from Dollar Tree on there. And this is good to go. All you need is 6 ounces of warm milk, and you've got your hot cocoa. And then, of course, this little guy, he was at, he comes from Dollar Tree, and I'm sure everyone has seen him. So yeah, and then, of course, my tray. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with my hot cocoa tray. So there you go, guys. A great idea, you know, with items from Dollar Tree. And like I said, you can glue these on there, but it makes it a lot sturdier if you actually, you know, staple it on there, which is what I did. But I didn't like the fact that the staples do come through, and I had to smash them down on this other end. And I put some hot glue on there just because I don't want anyone to you know, poke themselves with an end of one of the staples. That's why I put the hot glue in there. But yeah, this was so much fun to make, guys. I was actually looking for Dollar Tree right now. Some of the Dollar Trees have a little tray that is divided. So that's what I was looking for, that divided tray, and I didn't actually find it. So this was, I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, this will work. So that's why I went ahead and I opted for this one. And it holds a lot, actually. It really does. I don't remember how I had all of this, but there we go. The straws, candy canes, and then this little candy, plastic candy. And here is that little wooden tree, my little gingerbread. Maybe I'll put them right there. And then the star from Dollar Tree, just to make it look more festive. Oh my gosh, guys, this was so much fun. What a treat this would be for a child. You know, with 2 or 3 siblings, you know, you can put more of the, you know, milk jugs in there, or more packages of the hot cocoa. But this would be such a neat little, you know, hostess gift. I mean, or, you know, just send your crafty friend a tray of hot liquid love. There we go. All right, guys, I just thought I'd come on and share with you really quick. I'm going to leave you with a couple of pictures in the end so you can see what it looks like from the front without me having to tilt it over. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.